So we're out driving. I'm in 5th. I'm going 65. And we're spinning 1750. That's pretty damn good. We didn't change too much RPM in switching over to the 650 or the 350, I mean. Sorry, 650 is what's in my race car. 350 from the 3.0. So, happy camper. I'm heading down to go get fuel because this thing is almost out of fuel. And then a full tank, William can go and have a great time. All right, we got fuel. Finishing up our test drive. Gonna be heading back here to the shop. Scotty's gonna get it all detailed out. Looking pretty happy. Good to go. And William will get this baby home today. Full of gas too. I always send them home full, especially when they're a long-termer like this. Because you want to put fresh fuel in, want to make sure everything's good. And frankly, we want William to just jump in this baby and go have a ball.